Hey everyone, it's Jess. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have my May lineup for 2023 to share with you all. And May is going to be a super exciting month, not just because it happens to be my birth month, but there's a lot going on, super fun trips. If you haven't heard them ad nauseum, have heard about them ad nauseum in my plan with me's, you're gonna hear about them in this video. So yeah, you might notice this doesn't look like a full kit situation. That is because I put down the base for the first week of May already and for the fourth week of May. It's because I was doing those weeks a little differently, and I did film them off camera, but I've already like filmed the intros where I explain my thought process and how I did everything, but I will share the base spreads with you here. I will not leave you hanging. So without further ado, for the first week of May, I am using the birthday bash kit from Jkruuuplans Co. I will show you guys real quick here because it is my birthday that week. So here is the beautiful spread. I'll zoom out just a wee bit. But yeah, it is the birthday bash kit from Jkruuuplans Co. I have some 30 quote overlays from Plan With Me stickers because I will be turning 30 this year, which is very exciting. Momentarily, it was very terrifying, but I'm back to my I'm excited. It's just a weird feeling to be turning 30 because I feel like I should be at some point in my life, but I'm not there yet. I'm okay with that, but it's just weird knowing where I quote unquote think I should be. I think that's the only thing giving me a weird existential crisis. But other than that, I am straight chilling. I'm obsessed with how this spread turned out. Well, not turned out, but like how the base turned out, because we have, what is it? I go through all of this in the Plan With Me. I'll go through it again, but these are sparkly, either heart, pixie foil, pixie hollow foil underlays from Plan Hannah. They're the Hey Boo ones. They're so pretty. I loved it. I decided to do the hearts because I love hearts and all things love, so why not incorporate it into my birthday week? Plus, none of the other underlays were like really pulling me for this week. I did see that Plan With Me stickers actually had disco ball underlays, but there's just something about these Hey Boo underlays from Plan Hannah that just have my heart all the time. So I wanted to use them. And for this week, I was really conflicted on using either the hollow or the gold. I feel like you could go either or with this kit and it'll be beautiful, but I just went for both. So the underlays are hollow foil, and then the overlays and the scripts are all gonna be gold. And I really am excited to see how this whole spread turns out. And as you can see, there's no sidebar situation. It goes, we start Monday all the way in the sidebar on the left, so May 1st, and then it's gonna go into May 8th. And the reason for that is that the next week I will be in Greece, and this will also be an 8-day spread. And so this will literally have all of Greece in one spread. So yeah, that is Birthday Bash for May 1st to May 8th, and then May 9th to the 17th, 16th, I'm not sure which day, 17th, I think. I am using the Grease kit from Jkruuuplans Co. There's a lot going on with a lot of these kits. So Andrea was really like super kind enough to commission art for me for this and then sell it, but I'm obsessed. I think there was like a kit that looked similar, Grease vibes, but I already used it before, so I don't have it, and I don't think it's sold anymore. And if it is, I don't want to be a kit repeater. I think I'm like, there's only like 2 kits I've ever repeated. Not that there's anything wrong with that, but you know, you got your personal, you try to see how long you can go without repeating a kit. So yeah, this is the Grease kit from SPC. Beautiful. I love the colors, that navy blue, the beige, the hot pink, all of it. Ugh, I'm so excited to use it. I hope I have like enough stickers for everything that I need. If anything, I'll just be like, hey, I need another kit. But we'll see how far I can stretch this kit. So that's the kit, and then there's like the extra that comes with it. This week, I think I'm also planning for there to be a lot of like day extenders. Maybe not, but like I am planning for there to be day extenders, which is the only reason I haven't put down the spread for this. These are the extras. So I actually ordered the Grease Fam 6 and the one with the guy who has light skin and brown hair, and I just actually like cut them. You can't even tell. I cut him out because Nick has brown hair and I like stuck it on top, and you literally, it's, oh, I love this kind of Franken stickering thing. So that's cute there. And also I just absolutely love the full box. It's in my planner as well. A little manipulated, but yeah. So then they have the ombre heart checklist, the doodles, the extra color, which I'm gonna try to incorporate this lighter pink as well, just so I can use as many stickers extra as I can, and then the extra label samplers. So for the foil, like the underlays and everything, I did pick up these underlays, the vines from Plannahannah. You can see, so I want to do mixed metal, so gold and silver. I feel like it really is calling to the kit. I feel like you could do silver or you could do gold, but I feel like I want to do both. So we'll see. Like, I think it'll be very pretty. I like the vines. I like the vines. Yes. I'm like, am I trying to convince myself? No, I like the vines. I was trying to think of something else I could have done, but I like the simplicity of the vines. Like, it's a really pretty background in like the back, but I don't feel like bad if I end up having to cover it with like fancy labels and square boxes and half boxes and things like that. And also it's busy enough where there's no like gaps of white spaces when I put down stickers. So I love that. Then I also just have the like confetti mixed metal gold and silver foil bundle from Scribble Prints Co. Just in case, I think I'm using these for the overlays, but I'm not sure because I also have these pulled out, I guess. So yeah, either this like the dot confetti or this different confetti. I'm still undecided, but part of me, like right now in the moment, I'm thinking I'm leaning towards the dots because they kind of go with the little dot bits. Yeah, I think we're gonna do the dots. I'm gonna put this away. I don't need it. I do need overlay, like I need like washi overlay, but it's fine. I can figure that out later. So yeah, I think I'm going with the dots. Just made that decision right then and there. So that is for Greece, and that will be an 8-day week in my planner as well. Let me put these normal in here. Oh gosh. Perfect. So excited to put down that spread, but that spread's not gonna get put down until after the vacation. So then after that, we have the week of May, either 17th, 18th to May 22nd, I think. I don't remember. I think so. May 22nd. So I will be in Vegas for EDC, and also so many freaking stickers for this week. This week is going to be a 6-day week along with the week that follows it, because I'm not in Vegas for very long, but that way it's like encompassed in its own little spread, and then the next week isn't like randomly 5 days or something like that. So okay, wait, let me move this. Okay, this goes here. Let me show you. So I am using the Birthday Queen kit from Scribble Prints Co. I was originally going to use it for my birthday, but then with all the fun like neon colors, it kind of gave me birthday Vegas, so had to move it to when I was in Vegas. There is a Vegas kit from Scribble Prints Co., but it was like pastels, and I feel like it didn't fit the vibe of this visit to Vegas, so I'm excited for this kit. All the neons, all the rainbow colors. It's gonna be so fun. All these headers, love it. I think there's extra headers, like an extra color. I'm not sure, but we'll see. These are the extras. Oh yeah, there's an extra color. Oh, there's 2 extra colors. Okay, freaking perfect. Yes. I'm like, what am I talking about? There's extra boxes, which is great. Doodles and rainbow colors, ombre heart checklists we will need, and then extra boxes here. And so for this week, I'm going with like every foil, every color of the rainbow. I think I'm doing these confetti overlays in the sparkly hollow. I think that'll be fun. I also have the black sort of same pattern, the confetti, I hope it's called confetti, in the black foil bundle. I don't remember what Andrea said to do with this, but I think it would be really cool to have some of this like black incorporated in the spread. I don't remember how. I need to text Andrea and she will tell me, or she'll see this video and if she gets this far, she'll text me. And then of course I had to pick up some Plannahannah underlays, because what is a special week without them? And I got them in 5 different foil colors. So these are the Shine 2. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, they're like little like the little like sparkle emojis. It's kind of like that vibe. So I have orange, I have hot pink, I have this green, a blue. Oh, I think this is blue hollow. This is purple hollow. This is just green, and this is pink hollow. And then this is just like one of the orangey colors. So yeah, I'm gonna try to see how I'm gonna incorporate these as underlays. Like, I don't know if I'm gonna do it like one day is purple, one day is blue, or if I just wanna like diagonal kind of across. I don't know, but we shall see. Oh my gosh, I am so excited for this spread. I really am trying to remember what I wanted to do with these. Maybe use the overlays like the black ones. Maybe both? I don't know, I can't remember. I'm not pulling to this anymore. I kind of just want like sparkly hollow in all the colors. So yeah, that will be the week that I am in Vegas for EDC. So I'm super excited about that. I've been like in my EDM research era, and I've just been liking a lot of the music, which is very surprising, but also very surprising that I feel like I've listened to a lot of EDM as well. Not like every genre, but some of them. Okay, I guess I will do, how many weeks are there in June? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, yeah. So this will be the last week I share, and then there's still like Memorial Day, like May 29th and May 30th, 31st in another week, but I'll share that in my June lineup and we'll end it here. So for the last full week of May, I am using the Under the Waves kit from Scribble Prints Co., as you can see. So this is another week that I also planned, because I know this week's not gonna have like day extenders, and it is my first time doing a week with 6 boxes. Not 6 boxes, 6 days, and so I need a sidebar and like to do something with the other half. So I will show you guys what I did. It is so fun. So this is the week that The Little Mermaid comes out, the live action one, and I am so flip-flopping excited about it. Little Mermaid is my favorite movie. Ariel's my favorite Disney princess. Like, I love Rapunzel and I love Belle, but Ariel will like always like pull my heartstrings. So I was super excited to get to use this, and I got the SPC and Planet Hannah and SPC collab for April, I think it was, with these like bubbles and stuff. So, oh my God, I just love looking at it. It's so perfect. Like the seashell pattern, the bubbles on the bottom washi, and then there's also like the stars, the starfish. I also got like quotes here too. I'll show you quote overlays for this week. Mermaid kisses and starfish wishes, and then I used silver like to accent things here and there, and then if you can see, the glitter header washi has the silver underneath from SPC, and then the bubbles from Planet Hannah. So yeah, I really like how this spread turned out. It doesn't even seem like weird that there's only 6 days in here. I love what I did with the sidebar. I love that there's like a tall box and there was enough boxes for this week. So yeah, I'm more confident going into when I do the Vegas week, because this will also have a similar, a similar vibe to it, although the Vegas one may not have a sidebar. 23rd. Yeah, the Vegas one probably won't have a sidebar, so, but it has a way more like full boxes to work with, so they might just look like 2 decorative sidebars. So yeah, that is the week of May 23rd to May 28th. I'll be back for my trip, and I will be back to work for a day, and I also have to get an MRI that week, and hopefully I get to see The Little Mermaid. The Little Mermaid comes out the day that I get my MRI. Also, Nick is moving that week, but the movie comes out the day I get my MRI, so I'm hoping I'm okay to see it. I do have tickets, but if anything, I can always cancel them if I'm not feeling up to it, and then eventually I guess I will go. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this May lineup. Let me know if we're twinning for any of them. If you have a May birthday, I wish you the happiest of birthdays. May is probably the best month to have a birthday. I don't know. I am completely biased about it, but yeah, I'm super excited for what May has in store. Super excited to turn 30. I guess I'm just regular excited to turn 30. But yeah, that is everything. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all next time. Bye!